So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and purchase your staking package in BNBOcean. So be with me. The first step is to click on this section called deposit. You see, you have to deposit the money that you are going to use to buy your BNB Ocean staking package. So click on it, click on deposit. So different coins are going to load here. So after clicking the deposit, it will bring you to this section of where you have selected the coins, and you select which which type of coin that you want to deposit with. It can be BNB, BEP20, it can be Tether, which is USDT, it can be TRC20, it can be Tron. You see, based on whatever currency that you have. I always prefer using BEP20 because it carries zero transaction fees. So I'll click on Tether BEP20 and an address will be generated. Then I'll go to my Binance to send the money to that address. So I click on it. And when you click on it, you click on the button down here after selecting. Now here we are. The address has been generated. You can see it's BEP20 USDT. Take a note of the currency you have selected and the network. So this is what where I'm going to send any amount that I want to use. Okay. So I've copied the right address. Now the moment I go to my Binance, I'll click send to on-chain withdraw. I'm withdrawing USDT. I'll paste the address here. The network is BEP20 smart chain, and I'm sending, let me say, 150 50, okay, $50. I want it to land when it's 50. Okay, exactly that. So I've sent $150. Let's give it a minute and to process. Now, the moment it lands, then I'll take to the process. How do we buy our staking package of the Ocean token? Now you can see our deposit is a success. So I'll go now and check in my BNBOcean account to see if the $150 has landed. Now you can see it took less than a minute and the $150 has landed in my BNBOcean. Now the next step is to click here, which is purchase staking, because now I have the amount. So after deposit, we click purchase staking. So you click on purchase staking. Now you have to type the amount here that you are putting. And after typing here, you'll be able to select the period. Are you staking for 18 months or 9 months? And you can see this amount will change. The staking amount will change based on the amount that you are putting in. If I'm putting like maybe $500, you can see like even the percentage here changes. The staking is not the same for every amount. If I put like maybe $1,000, you can see also the staking for $1,000, the rewards are different. You see, so how much you put on also determines the staking. Now I'll show you. If you put in like, for example, $50,000, look at how much you get as far as staking is concerned. You can even get between 20 to 22% if you're going for 9 months. You see, money makes money, so don't act small. So, but the budget for now is $150 that I'm testing with this account. Of course, we shall add more. This is for educational purpose. So I'll click here and I go for 18 months. You see, so from there I'll click stake now. Hope this is very clear for everybody to understand. So the moment I click here, boom, you can see with $150, this is the amount which has been invested, $150, and you can see the Ocex token that this account has gotten, 1,000 tokens and you can divide the $102 divide by 0.15. That's the 1,000 Ocex that this account has gotten. If I remove this, you can see the duration is 18 months, and you can see the maximum earning. In case I'm doing the community building or the affiliate, it can earn me up to 4 times the amount I put in, you see, and what I've earned so far. It will show everything right there. So that is it. That's how we purchase the staking. That's how we deposit. Share this video with everyone in your team. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps other people to have access to the same video. I will be doing other tutorial training. Thank you for watching. It has been Coach Mustafa. See you in the next video.